Video number 128, writing rational expressions in lowest terms. So this first example is negative 8 times the quantity 5 minus y over quantity y plus 2 times quantity y minus 4. Now, before we go into the detail here, there is a very simple property that we need to discuss and just point out that there's something here that we already know, and we're going to point this out. Now, for example, everybody knows 7 minus 3 is 4. And 3 minus 7 is negative 4. What's the point? The point is this. Does it really matter that this was a 7 or a 3? What if it was 17? Then you'd have 14. What if this was 17? You'd have what? Negative 14. The point is this. Here's the property that we just figured out. A minus B equals... Does everybody agree that 17 minus 3 equals the opposite of 3 minus 17? What's the opposite of 3 minus 17? Well, you're talking about the opposite of negative 14, which is 14. See that? So A minus B equals the opposite of B minus A. See that? So in other words, x minus 5, for example, equals the opposite of 5 minus x. Okay? So, what we have here is a relationship between the y minus 4 and the 4 minus y. What do we know? We know that y minus 4 equals the opposite of 4 minus y. Therefore, this equals the opposite of y minus 4. So what we could do is, now I didn't put in a step in between, but we could do this. You can call this negative 8 times, alright, y minus 4. But we can change the 4 minus y to a y minus 4 as long as we put a negative in front. But there's already a negative in front, so you call it a plus. And that's how we get here. See how that works? And then we leave this as a y minus 4 in the denominator, and of course a y plus 2. But that's how that shakes down. Y minus 4's cancel out. You're left with 8 over y plus 2. Bam. Done. Okay? Next one. 28 plus 10 over 30a plus 15. Well, the way we reduce these rational expressions in lowest terms is by basically reducing fractions by finding common factors. For example, 24 over 16. Everybody knows this can be rewritten as 8 times 3 over 8 times 2, and then the 8's cancel, and you get 3 over 2. Alright? We're going to essentially try to do the same thing. We factor out a 10. 10 times 2a plus 1. Let's take out a 15 here. 15 times 2a plus 1. Guess what? 2a plus 1's cancel. 10 over 15 is, of course, 2/3. Next one. Again, we're trying to rewrite the expression in lowest terms. So we're looking for common factors. In order to get common factors, we must what? Factor the trinomials. So we factor this trinomial right here, y minus 3 times y plus 2. This one's a plus 4 minus 3. Minus 3's cancel. Bam, y plus 2 over y plus 4. What you're going to need to know how to do, of course, is you're going to need to know everything in video 127 in order to successfully do these rational expressions. So, good luck, good times. Talk to you later.